Good morning children. Today we are going to learn book exercise in lesson 12 our country. Okay, our country lesson book exercise. First all of you see, take your book and do this book exercise. First Roman letter, match the following. First Roman letter, match the following. Column A and column B. First you read column A and then so the correct answer is given in the column B. You choose and match now. First one, national flag. National flag. Peacock, Tiranga, mango, tiger, lotus. Which one is the correct answer? Tiranga. Tiranga means tricolor. Okay, Tiranga means tricolor. So, our national flag has tricolor. Do you know very well? Our national flag has tricolor. That is three colors. Tri means three. Okay, yeah. So, Tiranga is the correct answer. And then national animal. Which is our national animal? See here, peacock, tiger, lotus, mango. Which is our national animal? Yes, tiger. Tiger is a national animal. And then national bird. Which is our national bird? Peacock, mango, lotus. So, peacock. Peacock is the bird. So, peacock is the correct answer. Peacock. And then national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Lotus. And the national fruit, mango. Okay, yeah. So, national flag, Tiranga. National animal, tiger. National bird, peacock. National flower, lotus. National fruit, mango. Okay. So, national fruit is mango. And then have you all complete first one? Yes. Now we shall go to second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Yes. First question is, our national flag is dash. Our national flag is dash. Tricolor, bicolor. Tri means 3, bi means 2. Which one is correct answer? Yes. Our national flag has tricolors. What are the three colors? Tri means 3. What are the three colors of our national flag? Have our national flag? Saffron, white, green. So, tricolor is the correct answer. Here write tricolor. 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 And then there are dash spokes in the Ashoka's chakra. There are dash spokes in Ashoka chakra. 36, 24. How many spokes in Ashoka chakra? Yes, that is 24. 24 spokes present in Ashoka chakra. And then third question. The dash is our national animal, tiger or lion? Yes, tiger is the correct answer. The tiger is our national animal. Tiger. The tiger is our national animal. And then fourth one. The dance is our national song. The dance is our national song. Janagana Mana Vande Mataram. Which one is our national song? Vande Mataram. Okay. Don't tell Janagana Mana. The Janagana Mana is a national anthem. Okay, ma? So, which one is correct answer? Vande Mataram. Right here. Vande Mataram. And then next question. Fifth one. The dance is also known as Kalpavriksha. The dance is known as the dance is also known as Kalpavriksha. Which one? Banyan tree or mango tree? So banyan tree. So Kalpavriksha means which means wish fulfilling tree. சரியா? So அதனால நமக்கு நிறைய நன்மைகள் கிடைக்கும் அந்த ட்ரீயால. So wish fulfilling tree. Banyan tree is also known as Kalpavriksha. Right here, banyan tree, B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan tree, T-R-E-E, tree, banyan tree. So banyan tree is also known as Kalpavriksha. And then third Roman letter. T for true and or F for false statement. Okay, some statements are given, you read that statement, which one is true. So, we mention T and then that statement is false, we have mentioned F. First question, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 3rd October. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 3rd October every year. This statement is true or false? When we celebrated Gandhi Jayanti, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Here given 3rd October. So, this statement is true or false? Yes, this is false. So, F. Okay. And then, second question. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. So, this statement is true or false? Yes, this is true. So, T. And then third one, on Republic Day, the President of India awards medals to soldiers. On Republic Day, the President of India awards medals to soldiers. This is true or false? Yes, this is true. So, President enna பண்ணுவாங்க? On this day, President awards medal to their deserving children and soldiers. Fourth question. We celebrate Independence Day at our school. We celebrate Independence Day at our school. This is correct or not? Whether it is true or false? Yes, this is true. We are all celebrating Independence Day in our school? Yes. So, this is true. Fifth one. A set of laws came into force on Independence Day. A set of laws came into force on Independence Day. This is true or false? Yes, this is false. And then fourth Roman letter. Fourth Roman letter. Fill in the blanks. First question. Children's Day is celebrated in India and as every year. When we celebrate Children's Day, 14th November. 14th November. Spell the word November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. 14th November. So, Children's Day is celebrated in India and on 14th November every year. Second question. The dance is a holy book of the Hindus. Hindus oda holy book enna? Bhagavad Gita. Okay. So, Hindus oda holy book oda name enna ma? Bhagavad Gita. B hai. Bhagavad Gita. Okay. So, that Bhagavad Gita is a holy book of the Hindus. And then third question. The dance is the holy book of the Muslims. Quran. Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. Spell the word Quran. Q-U-R-A-N. Quran. And then fourth one. Sikhs go to pray in a Sikhs where go and pray? Gurdwara. Okay. G-U-R-U-D-W-A-R-A. Gurdwara. And then fifth one. The dance is the holy book of the Christians. Which one is the holy book of the Christians? Bible. B-I-B-L-E. Bible is the holy book of the Christians. And then sixth one, the dance is the holy book of the Buddhist. So, Buddhist holy book is called the Tripitaka. Tripitaka. So, this one is the holy book of the Buddhist. Okay. Once again, match the following: column A and column B. Our national flag, Tiranga. National animal, tiger. National bird, peacock. National flower, mango. National fruit, national flower, lotus. National fruit, mango. And then second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Our national flag is a tricolor. Tri means 3. And then there are 24 spokes in the Ashoka Chakra. 24 spokes in the Ashoka Chakra. The dash is our national animal. The tiger is our national animals. And then the dance is our national song. Vande Mataram is our national song. And then fifth one, the banyan tree is also known as Kalpa Viriksha. The banyan tree is also known as Kalpa Viriksha. And then third Roman letter, write A for true and F for false statement. First one, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 3rd October every year. So this statement is false. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate 2nd October. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Yes, this is true. T. On Republic Day, the President of India awards medals to soldiers. So this also true. And then we celebrate Independence Day at our school. Yes, this is also true. A set of laws came into force on Independence Day. So this is false. And then fill in the blanks. Children's Day is celebrated in India on 14th November every year. The Bhagavad Gita is a holy book of the Hindus. The Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. The Sikhs go to pray in a Gurdwara. The dance is the holy book of the Christians. Bible is the holy book of the Christians. The Tripitaka is the holy book of the Buddhists. Thank you, students.